Hi, this is Damien Gough from Global Processing Services, here to do a short video for the Finnies, an annual awards sponsored by FinTech Australia. We're here to celebrate achievements by FinTechs across Australia. Here with me, Stu Spiteri, the CEO of Hutley. Stu and the team at Hutley have been nominated for Excellence in Industry Collaboration and Partnerships. Stu, it'd be great to hear a little bit about the business, about yourself and what you guys do at Hutley.
Yeah, thanks very much. So Hutley, we believe that inherently every human being should have the right to shelter, and that they should have the ability in their world to define security around shelter, with primarily being your own home, but also have the opportunity to participate in the real estate market. So we are at the intersection of FinTech and property technology, and we use distributed ledger technology to underpin how we move payments and processes around that platform. We're nominated here because of our relationship with the Real Estate Institute of Victoria, whereby we operate for them and with them, in partnership with them, their VicForms platform, as well as a data platform that we own, that we acquired from them. So our reason to exist is that as tenants and landlords are exchanging cash, and as trust accounting is being operated, as tenants and buyers and sellers are transacting on property, whether it's residential or commercial, there's a movement of money, and we've helped facilitate the authentic nature of that movement of money.
Excellent, great, sounds good. Well, Stu, thanks for your time today. Congratulations on the nomination, and best of luck with that. We certainly wish you every success, and hopefully we see you up on the stage on the night.
Hopefully.
Thanks for coming in. Thanks, Stu.
Thanks very much.
Bye. I've got the pleasure of spending some time here with Currie Galek, and Currie Galek is the Sales Operations Manager at Novatti, and Novatti have been nominated for Excellence in Industry Collaborations and Partnerships. They're a finalist, and we're just here to catch up with Currie to find out a bit more about their submission and a bit more about Novatti as a business. So Currie, I'm going to throw it over to you just to kind of tell us a bit more about Novatti and your submission.
Thanks, Damien. My name is Currie Galek. I work at Novatti as a Sales Operations Manager. Novatti is a global multi-services payments company. We're primarily a B2B provider, so we enable businesses to pay and be paid from any device anywhere in the world. So we work with a lot of FinTechs and a range of companies ranging from startups to global organizations. So our core lines of business include issuing, which includes cards, vouchers, and digital assets. Also acquiring, which enables merchants to accept payments. Processing, including cross-border payments, and business automation, including subscription billing. We've also applied for a bank license, which is currently pending with APRA.
To get back to the category, just collaboration and partnerships, it's I'm assuming a really important play for Novatti. It's something you do a lot more of. It's a great example of one that you've done and you're proud of, but just generally that's the way that you operate. Yeah. It
is, yeah. I think we operate, to facilitate the launch of programs. We do operate with a lot of partners, and we're really proud of that. And I think we're able to leverage our licenses, technology, and partnerships to scale our business and provide excellent services to our customers.
Well, Currie, thanks for your time today. Congratulations on the nomination for you and for Novatti. So on behalf of FinTech Australia and GPS, we wish you the best on the day. Obviously, as a finalist, you want to be the winner at the end of the day, so good luck to that. Hopefully we see you on stage on the night, and we just wish you just future success in your issuing programs in particular. Thanks, everyone. Today, we're going through another awards category finalist in the Excellence in Industry Collaborations and Partnerships category. I'm pleased to be introducing you today specifically to Anthony Willmott, CEO and founder of DAS, Digital Agricultural Services. Anthony, great to have you here today.
Damien, it's great to be here. It would be great to hear more about DAS. I had a quick little search earlier, a really interesting business, but I'd love to hear it from you, Anthony, what the business is all about.
Thank you. Thanks, Damien. I mean, our mission is to build the best SaaS company dedicated to financial services and agri-enterprise. Our whole focus is helping decision makers use a unified system of data, imagery, software, and CRM integrations to get the multi-dimensional insights and intelligence they need to lend, insure, invest, sell, and serve their customers with greater confidence. We've been going since 2017 and we feel like we're just getting started. But our whole proposition is really focused on the idea of location intelligence, combining our unique data, insights, and science with our customers' information so they can help make better decisions. And the challenge for the industry is that today billions of dollars of decisions are being made with incomplete or unconnected data. And that's what we try to do every day. We love this stuff.
Excellent, awesome. So the category, actually, well done, because you were nominated in a couple of categories, but the one we're talking about today specifically, obviously, is industry collaborations and partnerships. So tell us about what it is that you're particularly proud of at DAS that you're doing to collaborate and partner up in the industry at the moment.
We've got a number of key partners. Really the ones we're highlighting today is our relationship with the CSIRO and their commitment to bring impact from science and the work they're doing with us, but also our work with IAG, one of Australia's leading insurers. We focus with them in helping to provide the data and insight they need to improve underwriting, as well as our work with Rabobank to help improve the valuations and lending process. Our whole thesis has been really based around the idea of how can we build strategic relationships as a key differentiator. By partnering with these industry leaders, what we're trying to do is understand how we can move the dial for them, help them deliver their strategic objectives, but also help understand the needs of the industry so we can scale this locally and globally. We've been really privileged to have these great relationships with these fantastic organisations and have embedded ourselves deeply with them. We love what we're doing and we feel like we're helping them on a professional and personal level to deliver their objectives, which is fantastic.
Excellent. Well, congrats, Anthony, on being a finalist in this category. I'm certainly going to be there on the night at FinTech Australia, and so on behalf of FinTech Australia and GPS, I wish you very, very best for this award, and hopefully see you on the stage on the night.
Fantastic, Damien. If nothing else, I'll see you there on the night, and that'll be fantastic. Cheers,
excellent.
Everyone.
All right. Thanks, Anthony. I'm here to introduce to you one of the finalists in the awards category, Excellence in Industry Collaborations and Partnerships. I'm particularly pleased to be introducing you today to Toni Knowlson, Commercial Director from Frankie One. Hey, Toni.
Thanks so much, Damien. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, likewise. Great to have you on. So it'd be good to know a little bit more about Frankie One and your services in Australia. I think I'm pretty familiar with you guys. I've overlapped you a couple of times, but for the broader audience watching today, tell us about Frankie One.
Sure. So for those who don't know Frankie One, we're a single connection into the global identity and fraud ecosystem. And what that means is we know that there's hundreds of great point solutions and innovation happening in this space around the world, whether it's KYC, KYB, AML, or fraud tools. And if you want to take advantage of the best of breed for your business, you'd have to go to the effort of integrating each one of those individually, and that can take time and money, and sometimes north of 6 months per connection. And then you have to start to coordinate them in a way that allows you to pass your customers through those systems, and quite often that requires some programming decisions that might mean that you lack flexibility to change anything later down the track, and you certainly lack flexibility in your customer onboarding experience. Creates a very rigid experience. What Frankie One do is we solve that for you. We've gone to the effort of integrating over 350 data sources and vendors in 48 countries so that you can access all of those through one API. So all you have to do is integrate once, you get access to the global best of breed solutions, you have flexibility in your customer flows, and most importantly, you have a single view of your customer across all of those identity and fraud intelligence assets. So we do three things. We bring it all together. We give you a flexible orchestration layer that personalizes your customer experience, and we give you one view of your customer. The big banks love us, customers like Westpac, because we can give simplification in the customer onboarding. Digital first businesses like buy now, pay laters like Afterpay love us because we create a really seamless customer onboarding experience. And we've got crypto exchanges around the world who love us because they can move into new countries in days, not months, because we've already done those integrations. So Frankie has been recognised, again, wonderfully as an Aussie business that's punching above its weight, which we love. We're in great company in the Finnies, and we're really excited to be here again this year.
Excellent. Thanks, Toni. It's a highly fragmented, challenging space, so it's great to have people coming in. And something that we use as a tagline in our business is making the complex simple. So it sounds like you're doing a good job with that. So congratulations on your nomination. On behalf of FinTech Australia and GPS, I really wish you the very best on this award, and obviously look forward to seeing future success for Frankie One on the global scale. And hopefully we see you on the night.
Amazing. Thanks so much, Damien. Thank you.
And I'm very pleased to be introducing today Duncan Currie, Country Manager of Australia and New Zealand at Margeta. Hey, Duncan.
Hi, Damien. How are you?
Very good, very good. Ironic that we are chatting today, given that we're both operating in the same segment. Really pleased to be catching up with you. It's been a while since we caught up. Duncan, as you know, Finnies is an annual awards event from FinTech Australia that celebrates and recognises the great achievements in FinTech talent here in Oz. So it's awesome that you guys were nominated as a finalist in the category, so congrats there. But for those that don't know Margeta, it'd be awesome to kind of hear more about the company, what you do there, and if you just want to introduce yourselves, it'd be great.
Yeah, perfect. Thanks, Damien. So Margeta is a modern card issuing platform. So we were launched about 12 years ago out of the US in the Bay Area to really try and help new car programs and innovators kind of get new programs to market as quickly as they can. And probably about 10 years ago, we kind of hit our product market fit by enabling our open APIs and allowing developers to get easy access into our APIs to be able to start incubating their own kind of products and solutions, which was good for some, be able to start MVPing out some programs, and also kind of speed up the development cycle. Since then we've launched in the UK Europe business, so that was about 4 to 5 years old now, and we launched in Australia 12 months ago, or just over 12 months ago now. So and looking to get into other regions shortly. So yes, we do sometimes come up against each other when it comes to some of our kind of processing specific opportunities. Margeta's got a couple of service offerings. So yes, we've got kind of that core processing. So whether it be processing Visa or MasterCard, in that provisioning of the Google and Apple Pays. But we also do kind of managed services, so almost into program management. So some of our bigger customers in the US, we tend to do a little bit more kind of managed services. So companies like Square, their Cash App, we do some of the heavy lifting for them around the card program.
Excellent. Well, Duncan, congratulations again to you and to Margeta on being a finalist in the category. And on behalf of FinTech Australia and GPS, genuinely actually wish you the very best. Competition is only healthy after all. And so good luck for the event, and hopefully I will catch up with you at the event on the day.
Magic. Thank you.
In this session, I'm really pleased to be introducing you to Damien Vasta, Managing Director and founder of Snip. Damien, great name. Tell us a little bit more about Snip.
Thanks, Damien. Great name too, and great spelling. Snip is a revolution in bill payments in Australia. We've designed the first bill payments platform that's built around what a consumer wants in bill payments rather than what a bank wants or a biller wants you to do. So we've purposely built a mobile-based application that allows you to bring in all your payment relationships and all your bills into the one place and allows you to make bill payments in less than 10 seconds.
Excellent. Wow, cool. Sounds exciting. Sounds like a pretty something you guys are working on there. So Damien, big congratulations to you and a huge congratulations to the entire team for being nominated as a finalist in the category. The team at GPS will be down there. Hopefully we'll see you there on the night, and best of luck from FinTech Australia on your nomination, and hopefully we can celebrate with you on a drink on the night.
Fingers crossed. Thank you, Damien, and thank you to GPS and FinTech Australia. We're looking forward to seeing you down there too, and maybe even on the stage.
Sounds good. Excellent. Really pleased to be introducing one of our finalists for the category, and that is Wise. And I'm here with Tristan Dakin, the country manager of Wise Australia. Tristan, it would be great to find out a little bit more about the Wise business and specifically how you guys treat the importance of industry collaboration and partnerships, and kind of where you got some big plays going with that type of activity here in Australia.
Yeah, sure. Thanks for having me, and really humbled to be in the nominations. So I'm Tristan, the country manager for Wise in Australia and New Zealand. For those who don't know, Wise is a global technology company. We're building the best way to move money around the world. So with the Wise account, people and businesses can hold over 50 currencies and move money between countries and spend money abroad. And now more and more large companies and banks are also using our technology. It's an entirely new cross-border payments network that will one day hopefully power money without borders for everyone, everywhere. So however you use the platform, we're on a mission to sort of make your life easier and save you money and add sort of competition and transparency. As I said, very humbled to be nominated for this award. I think this partnership really encapsulates what we're excited about at Wise. We like to partner with businesses that have a really sort of shared product philosophy. For us, we're specifically sort of hyper-focused on solving the cross-border movement of funds. And obviously Go Cardless have this hyper-focus on making it easy for businesses to collect money from customers in different parts of the world. I think what's beautiful about this partnership is it takes two amazing products and it combines them to produce something where the result is really sort of greater than the sum of its parts. And we have this, an API that Go Cardless has integrated into their product, and it allows their customers to now collect money in over 30 different countries, in 8 different currencies. So seamlessly and easily for these businesses to be able to collect money in those different countries and currencies. So I think it really sort of encapsulates what can be created when you take two already sort of standalone incredible products and combine them to make something pretty special for the end user.
Excellent. Well, congratulations, Tristan. Congratulations to you and the team. Sounds like a great collaboration partnership you guys have got going there, and great to see this type of activity happen within the fintech industry. I think we all acknowledge that collaboration and partnerships is a part of the play, and it certainly helps the broader ecosystem thrive. And it's a way of differentiating and strengthening the players that are in the space. So thanks for your time. Best of luck on the night. On behalf of FinTech Australia and GPS, we're rooting for you. Good luck, and hopefully we'll see you on the stage on the night.
Thanks very
Tristan.
much.